Hey guys, welcome back to my tutorials. If you remember my last video, I showed you guys how we can make clickable images. So by taking a hyperlink and an image and embedding the hyperlink within the image, so that way when you click the image, it will take you to the corresponding hyperlink that you wanted. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how we can use lists, and there are two types of lists in HTML. One is an unordered list and the other is an ordered list. Now by default, all lists are unordered. So what a list, if you guys don't know, is just a series of collection of items. For example, when you're going to do your shopping, you can have eggs, bananas, milk, bread, that kind of stuff. And it's just like a small little checklist. Or it can be for hobbies, so I can say what the different kinds of hobbies I have. And yes, that's what a list is. So in order to actually have the different points on a list, you can say you use the tag li, which would be li, and then you can say if we're having shopping list, we'll take bananas, BANA. /li. So what I've done here is I've made my first pointer on my list. So if I Command S or if I Control S this and save it, and now open up my HTML document, what you'll see here is bananas, and it's got a circular bullet point. This indicates that it's an unordered list. So now as soon as I make another one, so I say li, and I'll say milk, it's going to be part of the same list, but as a separate point. And as it's a circular point, it means it's unordered. So this is the default value in HTML of a list. Now to indicate actually as to whether or not it is going to be unordered or ordered, there are two different tags you can use. For an unordered list, you'd say UL, and then have the list of values encapsulated within it. So I'm saying unordered list here, and then within the unordered list, I'm having a list. And then at the very end, I want to close it off. So I'm going to say /UL. And as you can see here, I've now encapsulated this one particular list within the unordered list. So let me just go and add some more values. So I can say li. So bread, and let's just say pears. Okay, so this is my first list. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a name, a title, and I'm going to call this, I'll give this an H2 title, and the title is going to be shopping list. Okay, if you don't remember what H2 means, then I've made a video already on headers and subheaders and how we can use this. And that's done. Now if I open up my HTML document, as you can see here it says, I've got my big shopping list here, and on my shopping list I've got bananas, milk, bread, and pears. Now, let's say I needed there to be, I'm trying to make an algorithm or something, or I want something to have a proper order, so it has to go in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then I need there to be some form of order, which means I need to use an ordered list. So I'm going to say OL, or in fact let me just say another header, and I'm going to put ordered list example. And the tag used to create an ordered list is OL. And then again, simply I can just start putting in my list item. So let's say I was doing questions on a piece of homework. So I'd say question 1 would go there, and then it'll be question 2 afterwards. I'll just do this 5 times quickly. Again, then in order to end it, all I'm going to do is put /OL at the end. So what the difference is, over here I've got an unordered list, which is UL as the tag, and over here I've got my ordered list, which is OL as my tag. And remember, you have to close it off with /UL and /OL respectively. So when I open it up, this is what I get. Well, I get my initial shopping list over here, which is an unordered list, as you can see from the bullet points, as opposed to the ordered list, which has got numbers. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when you're designing a website, sometimes it's if you're just trying to put random bullet points, then yeah, it's great to just use an unordered list, because you don't necessarily need to have an order. Or if you want to have an order, then you can use them as well. It makes no difference. So they're interchangeable as you'd like. Okay, so that's just how you would use lists in a web page. So if you have any other questions on this, feel free to let me know, leave me a message down below, or email me on my website. Otherwise, thank you very much. I will see you in the next tutorial.